Hey everyone! Today we're taking your PowerPoint presentations to the next level with interactivity. Static slides can get a little snooze-worthy, but what if viewers could explore different sections at their own pace? That's where linking slides comes in. Linking slides allows viewers to jump to specific information based on their interests. Imagine a slide with product categories. Clicking a category image could whisk them away to a detailed breakdown. Cool, right? So, how do we unlock this interactive magic? Let's jump into PowerPoint. Here's your first hero, the object you want to link. It can be a picture, shape, or even text. Right-click on your chosen hero and, like summoning a genie, select Link from the menu. A pop-up box appears, ready to grant your linking wish. Under Link to, choose Place in this document. Now comes the grand reveal, a list of all your slides. Simply click the slide you want to connect your object to. Voila! You've just created a doorway for your viewers. And there you have it! With a few clicks, you've transformed your presentation from a monologue to an interactive adventure. So go forth, link your slides, and keep your audience engaged. Thank you for watching.